Hi guys, welcome back to my second video. This is part 2 video on how to make money with Prizerebel.com. Alright, so if you haven't yet already watched my first video, I highly recommend you to do that. Right, so I'm going to put the card right top corner on this video. So you simply click to the link to the card, and that card is going to link up you to the first video, because you need to see the first video first, then everything is going to make sense to you, because this second video, this second part is actually going to be a bit advanced, you know, because we're not going to make money. We're going to make money with Prizerebel still, but we are going to use our social media in order to make way more money and accelerate the process of making money, earn points with this Prizerebel website. So without further ado, let's dive right into our content. So if you haven't get your account, I highly recommend you to do that. So you go to Prizerebel and then click the earn with referral here, and after that you're going to land over to this page. Alright, so as you can see here, make easy money by earning 15% referral points from anyone that you refer. Right, so it's literally like, this is actually some sort of affiliate program. The terms of affiliate marketing is way more popular than a referral points, but on Prizerebel they call it as a referral point, which is both is same things. Right, you're going to refer people who join to this site, and then you're going to make some percentage of commission. Right, so here is your referral program, which is, I think this is really cool way on how to make more money instead of just work literally with Prizerebel. Right, so what you have to do, you have to promote this link, your referral link here, everywhere. Right, so in your social media handle, your Facebook, your Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn if you have, and promote all over the place in order to make more sign up, and literally eventually you're going to make more money. Right, but first, of course, you can just simply paste the link throughout the social media. You have to learn some sort of marketing skill, right, which is I'm going to reveal to you everything in this video. I'm going to provide you a bonus, which is a very cool bonus, where you literally don't have to do anything, but instead just posting on your social media. And the bonus is the script. Right, this is the script that I'm going to provide you. I'm going to link down in this description box, or maybe I just going to just paste the entire script to my to the description box down below in this video. You just can copy and paste to your social media. Right, so I just want to preview a bit. So this is the script. Just reached home and completed some surveys on the site I came across on YouTube recently. Never thought that I can actually make money online completing surveys and playing a video game, not to mention making money on only by watching videos. And how cool is that? So blah 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 blah. You can read the entire post here. So I want you to really pay close attention on this click here. This is the call to action. This is really important thing. All right, because this is the way you are going to get more sign up with this post. Right, so don't forget, before you post to your social media handle, don't forget, copy your link here, your referral link here, which you can doing that by click copy here, right click and click copy, and then go back here and just place here. Right, okay, just click enter, and as well as this one, highlight it and paste here. Right, boom, you're good to go. So you can copy, Control A to select all and click copy. And what you have to do, just click on the Facebook icon here. If you wanted to post on Twitter, you can click on here. I click here, waiting for the windows pop up, and then you can paste just like this. Okay, bam. Okay, so you can adjust a bit. Okay, boom. So make sure your affiliate link or your referral link is included on your post, and then just click post. All right, so same goes with your other social media account like Instagram and Twitter. Right, so before that, I just want to remind you, you're not necessary to share this link. All right, so you could just head over to your social media and just choose an appropriate picture or maybe the picture that you are the picture of you doing the job, you doing the survey, the real picture, and then post the script, right? You are not necessarily to have to post from this site, the Facebook, right? So that's it for social media. So another cool site that I'm going to share with you is called Quora. So for your information, Quora is really powerful site, and Quora is actually a question and answer site. So there's a lot of people who wanted to know something, who have some question that they wanted to know. They're going to land over to this website, this platform, and ask, right? So what you have to do now, just click sign up, right? Click sign up on Quora, get your account, and then search on Quora, like maybe I type in make okay, so let's type work from home. Okay, so it's going to pop up several different suggestion here. So you just click on work from home opportunities. So you can all this is the question that people ask, right, on how to make money online, a work from home job, work from home opportunity, right? So let's go one by one. What are some work from home opportunities that aren't a scam? All right, so right click, let's see this question. I think you can participate with this question, okay? So this person answer what is the opportunity, job from home opportunity that are not scam, right? So you can simply hand over here and then click answer. Then you can share about that, about Prizerebel here. Okay, what you have to do, don't forget to include your referral links here, right? So you can, or maybe you can just simply copy and paste all the script here, for example. So you can make a story, and you can you can add your own story, maybe to make your answer more compelling, right? So it's really up to you. You can answer by your own with your own words. If you want to use my script and maybe you want to adjust a little bit of my script also, it's completely okay as well, right? But don't forget, the most important thing, don't forget to include your affiliate or your referral link as well, right? So guys, I think that's it for second video. Hopefully you got some value throughout this video, and don't forget to like this video and share to your friends. So consider subscribe if you want more videos just like this, and I see you on my next video. Bye bye.